Very good morning to all students. Beta, open page number 116. Conditionals. You have done in 7th also. Conditional sentences. Now, these conditional sentences, they are the complex sentence. Complex sentence where we have two clauses. Two clauses means there are two main words. I think now, till now, you understand that a sentence having more than one finite verb may be a complex or compound sentence, है ना. एक sentence में जब finite verbs means which changes according to the subject, जब एक से ज्यादा होती है तो वो complex या compound sentences होती है. ठीक है. Now, this conditional sentences, it has one principal clause and one conditional clause. बेटा आपने किया है एडजेक्टिव क्लॉज, नाउन क्लॉज, है ना, एडवर्ब क्लॉज. ठीक है. क्योंकि अदरवाइज प्रेपोजिशनल क्लॉज बहुत सारी होती हैं, लेकिन इतने ज्यादा हम लोग आपको कंफ्यूजन से बचाने के लिए यहाँ पे जो सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज होगी दैट विल बी कंडीशनल क्लॉज. व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड कंडीशनल? Conditional because the other reaction, one action, reaction, there is action and reaction. Action and reaction in the sense that I will do this if he comes. आप एक condition पे चलते हो कि अगर ऐसा होगा तो मैं ये करूंगा. ठीक है. अब recently आपने models किया है तो चलो, luckily we are doing this topic again in the second clause. In the subordinate clause, model is used. Okay. Model means you will use accordingly. But there are some rules. Some rules in the sense there are main three types of the conditional, rather four types of. ठीक है. ये आप पहले टॉपिक कर चुके हैं. ये इससे स्टार्ट होता है, इफ बिगनिंग में भी आ सकता है और सेकंड क्लॉज में भी आ सकता है, मिडल में भी यूज हो सकता है या अनलेस भी यूज हो सकता है ना. देयर आर सम वर्ड्स. इफ यू आई ओपन योर बुक, यू आर हैविंग ऑल द वर्ड्स. In the beginning you can see complex sentences sometimes contain conditional clause. A conditional clause is the kind of adverb clause. Adverb clause क्यों? क्योंकि वो उसके action पे react करता है. ठीक है ना. So it may be beginning with if, otherwise with these words also. अगर आप और conjunction देखें तो unless, provided that, in case, as long as. लेकिन ये आप देखेंगे तो ये सारे वर्ड जो हैं दे आर रीजनिंग बेस्ड. ये रीजन बेस पे हैं, कंडीशन बेस पे हैं कि अनलेस मीन जब तक, एज लॉन्ग मीन प्रोवाइडेड दैट मीन्स ऑन द कंडीशन दैट, इन केस दैट, इन केस ही कम्स, है ना. फिर अगेन कंडीशन, देन सो लॉन्ग एज, जब तक, एज लॉन्ग एज, जब तक. ठीक है. सो विद सम कंडीशन, विद सम रीजन, with the condition the other action will be completed. Okay. So there are four types of. First is zero type, लेकिन first type हम zero type बोलते हैं. अब सिंपली बेटा इसमें एक सेंटेंस में एक टेंस रहेगा और उसके अकॉर्डिंगली सेकंड पार्ट में हम लोग ब्लैंक में सेंटेंस फिल करेंगे. आपका जो इसका क्वेश्चन फॉर्मेशन रहेगा दैट विल बी ऑन द ब्लैंक बेस्ड. ये नहीं कि आपको सेंटेंस फॉर्मेशन आती है कि हाफ सेंटेंस इज गिवन, कंप्लीट द सेंटेंस. ठीक है. तो आपको ब्लैंक फिल करनी होती है. इट इज अ टॉपिक यू हैव डन इन 7th स्टैंडर्ड आल्सो. ठीक है. लेकिन वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट एज आई टोल्ड यू इन दैट अदर दैट वॉइस, है ना. मैंने आपको बोला कि यू नीड टू मार्क द वर्ब. पहले आपको टेंस देखना है. ठीक है. इसमें भी in these sentences also, in this topic also, you need to mark the tense in the finite verb in the given sentence. जो आपको full sentence होगा, clause होगा, उसका आपको tense mark करना पड़ेगा. According to that, you will fill the other part. But you need to understand. आपकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग जरूरी है कि आप उसको अंडरस्टैंड भी कर सकें. So दिमाग ये टेंटिव बेटा. ठीक है. Now there are 3 types of and 1 zero type also. If you read in your book, zero type are the general truths. जैसे आपने पहले किया scientific truths करते हैं ना, general truths. They are always written in the present tense. So if one part of the clause is in present, the other will also be in present tense. इसमें modern use नहीं करेंगे बेटा. इनमें दोनों parts में present tense use होगा. If we heat ice, it melts. Now you can be anywhere in any environment, but when you heat the ice, it is scientific truth, it melts. इसलिए हम दोनों पार्ट में it is called the zero type. तो इन दोनों पार्ट में हम क्या यूज करते हैं, प्रेजेंट. ठीक है. Then comes the type 1, type 2 and type 3. Right? In type 2 is probable. Probable means कि अगर ऐसा होता है, अगर वो आता है तो मैं ये करूंगा या मैं ये कर सकता. ठीक है. एक पार्ट में प्रेजेंट टेंस होगा, इफ ही कम्स. ठीक है. I will go with her, I will go with him, or like that. We can use here will, may, can. Okay. We use the models in these. In type 1 we use will, may, can. ठीक है. लेकिन सबसे ज्यादा सेफ रहता है will. You remember that there is some confusion in may and can also. ठीक है ना. तो may and can में ये हो सकता है कि आपका ये objectionable हो जाए कि यहाँ पे तो can सूट करता था तो may यूज कर दिया. तो most safe is, I would like you to be safe side, that is will. Will is the most safe verb model to be used in the type 1. ठीक है. Then come to the type 2. Type 2 is improbable. Improbable, unlikely conditional. इसमें जो कंडीशन रहती है, इसमें probable means possible, improbable जो possible नहीं है, नहीं था. नंबर 2 past tense. आपको याद है कि would is the past form of will. फाइन. अगर आपको एक क्लॉज में पास्ट टेंस दिखता है, टाइप 2 कंडीशनल्स है, तो आप उसमें यूज करेंगे would, might, could. तो मोस्ट सेफ है would. सेकंड टाइप में क्या करेंगे, would. अगेन, बट इफ देयर इज वर. अब ऐसे सेंटेंसेस में आएंगे. आपको याद है कि अगर हमने कुछ इमेजिन करना हो, विश करना हो, तो हम क्या यूज करते हैं, इफ आई वर. करते हैं ना, इफ आई वर प्रिंसिपल, इफ आई वर द ऑर्गेनाइजर, तो हम सेकंड पार्ट में वुड यूज करेंगे. या ऐसे सेंटेंसेस आएंगे. जो मैं आपको मोस्ट प्रोबेबल है वो बता रही हूँ कि अगर वर यूज है तो उसके साथ हमने क्या यूज करना है, देन वुड. Yeah. Now third type. But a third type, if you remember that if you use had means action is completed. It is most improbable means time is gone, that action has been completed, so you cannot change. ठीक है. इसको थर्ड टाइप बोलते हैं. इसकी एक क्लॉज में had यूज होगा और दूसरी क्लॉज में would have. If you remember model perfect. Perfect participle याद है आपको, मॉडल should have, would have, could have, might have. ठीक है. क्लियर. नंबर 2, अब जहां पे आप टाइप 1 यूज कर रहे हैं बेटा, विल यूज कर रहे हैं, विल प्लस V1. अगर वुड यूज कर रहे हैं, वुड प्लस V1. बट अगर वुड हैव है, देन V3, थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. ठीक है. नाउ व्हाट इज रिक्वायर्ड, you need to learn all these 3 or 4 for 3 types. आपको learn होनी चाहिए टिप्स पे. It is very easy to gain marks. These should not be incorrect in any condition. I am telling you. ये तो बिल्कुल आपको मिस नहीं करना चाहिए, क्योंकि इसमें सिर्फ तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं, वर्ब फिल करते हैं. ठीक है ना. हमने सिर्फ वर्ब फिल करना होता है. तो वी जस्ट नीड टू रिकग्नाइज कि हमने इसकी जो कंप्लीट सेंटेंस है वो टाइप 1 है, जीरो टाइप है, टाइप 2 है या टाइप 3 है. दैट्स व्हाई देयर इज दैट एक्सरसाइज गिवन टू यू on exercise 1. Exercise 1 is related to that only beta, and it is good to see all the examples given in that. ठीक है. इसमें जो सारे given examples है वो हम देखेंगे sentences और इसको हम recognize करेंगे. Clear? So I would like to give you time to recognize them. Okay. I would like you to recognize these types of the conditionals. Okay, I wait for 2 minutes. Yes, Pachi. Sentence number 1, I told you that in the first part of the sentence, in first clause, present tense is used, present passive, and in the other, again present, it means it is zero type. Okay, Hriday. Sentence number 2. आपने मुझे टाइप बताना है बेटा.
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, if I were a millionaire, I would set up a trust to help needy children. Ma'am, this is the type 2.
Type 2. You will tell the verb also that why I am choosing type 2. Why I am telling it is type 2?
Ma'am, here it is, ma'am, here the verb is would. So, ma'am, would comes under the type 2, ma'am, because it is a past tense
Yes,
used here. So, this is under type 2.
yes, very good. And what is the past form of be? You remember na? Be is them are and was were. It is type 2. Yes. Sentence number 3. Narinder.
Yes, ma'am. Uh, Sentence number three. May I borrow this book if you have finished reading it? It's type one
Type 1. May I go?
because
Yes.
may is used and it is used in type one, and have is used like if we don't have to use present perfect, we can also use present continuous and present perfect in type one.
Yes, Vita. In present tense means present any form. You should remember, good point, that present any form can be there with a present continuous even can be, present perfect can be. We will take it as type 1. Okay, कोई भी present form, type 1. Yes, Vita, you keep your hands down. Vidya and Narendra, please. Yes, Sahib.
Fourth sentence.
Hmm.
Had I realized the seriousness of the situation, I would have informed you. Type 2. The finite verb is would.
Okay, any other Gurleen? Sahib, be attentive.
Yes,
Beta. Yes.
ma'am, it is type 3 because it is had used third form.
Yes, beta. Sahib, check. Had I realized the seriousness of the situation, I would have informed you. And I'm telling you, beta, this sentence is very frequently used in English language. This sentence, this type, had I realized the seriousness means मैंने realize नहीं किया. अगर मैंने situation की seriousness को realize किया होता, I would have informed you. मैं आपको inform कर देता. It means अब ये situation निकल चुकी है. That situation has gone. So type 3, it is type 3. And you should remember the use of would have, could have, might have. I am telling you, you will read now in the coming text. When you will read the next text, we will mark the conditional sentences. Okay? Just remind me, Hidey and Narinder, remind me when we do next text. जब language का हम लोग literature करेंगे, ठीक है? तो then we will mark all the conditional type. उसमें हम conditional की practice करेंगे. Clear? So this is very commonly used. You will note yourself. Yes, बच्चे. Beta, if you want to respond, remember that you should be visible. Yes, Kashish.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Yes.
Ma'am, question number fourth sentence.
Sentence
Fifth
number.
sentence. Don't.
Yes.
Sentence number. Sentence number fifth. Don't blame me if you suffer any losses. This is first condition.
Don't blame me if you suffer any loss. Can you mark the word?
Yes, ma'am. Don't blame and suffer.
Two kind of tenses.
Ma'am, it is present.
Both are present.
Present tense.
Both are present.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't blame me if you suffer any losses. मुझे blame मत करना अगर आप कुछ don't blame me if you suffer any losses. अगर आप losses suffer करें. कौन सा टाइप है ये? कौन सा टाइप है ये? कौन सा बोला कशिश आपने?
Ma'am, first.
First, it is type 1. Okay, you can see the sectional cases that both in both tense, that is tense, present tense, but it is based on the condition. It is not better scientific or universal truth. So it is type 1. Yes, Manav. Manav.
Ma'am, yes.
Yes, beta.
If
Next.
Gandhiji were alive today, he would be shocked to see the corruption levels in this country. Ma'am, this is type 1.
Verb बताइए बेटा. First you mark the verb and tell me the verbs.
Ma'am, ma'am, were alive today.
और first clause में और second में.
Ma'am, he would be.
हाँ, तो अब अगर वर और वुड है तो कौन सा टाइप होगा?
Ma'am, type 2nd.
Yes. You see, when you mark the verb, then you correct yourself. You were able to correct yourself if you mark the verb. Okay. Very nice. Very nice. So that attentiveness
Okay,
is
ma'am.
required. That attentiveness is required. Yes, Pani.
If the vegetables are deep fried, they lose their nutritional value. Type 0.
Yes, type 0. हमें सेंटेंस पढ़ने से ही बेटा ये क्लियर हो जाता है कि ये जनरल ट्रूथ है ना? साइंटिफिक ट्रूथ कह लो, जनरल ट्रूथ कह लो कि अगर हम ऐसा करते हैं तो ऐसा होता है, चाहे वो कोई भी करे. You know, if anybody do that, the result is same. Okay. Otherwise it vary person to person. Otherwise क्या होगा, ये person to person vary करेगा. Yes, Mankirat.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, sentence number 8. If we had been less egoistic, life would have become much easier. Had been and would have, type 3.
Yes, it is type 3. So if you are able to learn the table beta, all the 4 kinds of the conditional sentences, it is very easy to fill out. Now you are recognizing, otherwise it will be easy to fill. Okay? Yes. Taran. Taranveer.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ जी बेटा.
Had the project been completed on time, so many man hours would not have been wasted. Ma'am, type 3.
It is type 3. And beta, you should mark, circle the use of not. When we did that models exercise also, the place of not. Not will be added after would. Would not have been. Okay. This should be clear to you all. Now sentence number 10. Niyati. Niyati.
Ma'am, yes.
हाँ जी.
If you do not feel nervous, you will perform better. Type 0.
If you don't feel nervous, you will, it is type 1. It is type 1, Niyati. If you don't feel nervous, it is type 1, है ना? You will perform better.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? Because you is not some kind of, it might be told to one person. हम एक person को guide कर रहे हैं कि अगर nervous नहीं होंगे तो you will perform better. That is the condition. It is type 1. ठीक है? अगर इसकी जगह पे we होता, I tell you the difference why you were confused. अगर इसकी जगह पे we होता, then it had become general truth. अगर हम nervous नहीं होते हैं तो हम अच्छा perform करते, then it can be called a general truth. Okay? If the pronoun we is used, we, in place of to, अब you करें तो आप third person को आप address कर रहे हैं ना? अगर आप ऐसा करते हैं तो ऐसा होता है. ठीक है? अगर यहाँ पे we होता तो then we can say that it is a general truth कि हम सब nervous हो जाते हैं, है ना? Okay?
Yes. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, beta. Okay, beta. Now in exercise, next exercise 2, ठीक है? There is conversion. Conversion in all 2 types. ठीक है बेटा? These you will do in the notebook. ये आप notebook में solve करेंगे. जो बाकी 3, 4 and 5 है, इनके 5 sentences you can do in the book. जो blank form होंगी वो आप बुक में करेंगे और जो कन्वर्जन है तो दिस आई थिंक दैट वी शुड डू ऑल, क्योंकि बाद में हम लोग कन्वर्जन को दोबारा टच नहीं कर पाएंगे। ठीक है, तो आज प्रैक्टिस के लिए यू विल डू दिस एक्सरसाइज 2 इन द नोटबुक। 1 में तो यू कैन राइट ऑन द साइड दैट इज दिस इज टाइप 1, दिस इज टाइप 0। ठीक है, क्लियर। लेकिन आपको रिकॉग्निशन नहीं आएगी, आपको ब्लैंक फॉर्म आएंगी। बट दिस एक्सरसाइज 2 is very important. When you learn to convert the verb, you will definitely, it will fix in your brain. Okay, so I want you to do exercise 2 conversion in the notebook, and I may ask for the assignment to send me this assignment. Okay, be ready for the sending me the assignment of conditional sentences exercise number 2 only. Clear beta? कोई बुक की पिक नहीं भेजेगा, ये कन्वर्जन है। ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, इफ इट इज ब्लैंक इट विल बी डन इन द बुक, इफ इट इज कन्वर्जन ऑफ द सेंटेंसेस यू विल डू इन द नोटबुक। क्लियर बच्चे? सो यू विल राइट इन द नोटबुक and send me the assignment. You have CET, Narinder, unmute yourself. When do you have
Yes,
CET?
ma'am.
When do you have CET? Any CET today?
Ma'am, or today we have our CT.
So after that you are free. Means tomorrow,
Yes,
your
ma'am.
tomorrow is free. You will complete this grammar assignment today.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, bachche.
Okay.
Okay. And then we will do exercise 3, 4, 5, 6, all 5 sentences. All 5 sentences. Exercise 3, 4, 5, and 6. Clear?
Ma'am, we have to do exercise second in our notebook.
Yes, beta. Exercise number 2 in the notebook. I'll send the message.
मैम इसमें मैम इसमें हमें कन्वर्जन करनी है मैम। टाइप जैसे मैम टाइप 1 फर्स्ट सेंटेंस टाइप 1 का है, तो मैम इससे हमें टाइप 2 और 3 में कन्वर्ट करना है।
हाँ जी बेटा, you will convert in other 2 types. The instruction is given below are a few sentences of type 1. Change them into other 2 types. ठीक है बेटा? You need to check.
Okay, ma'am.
And you will convert in other 2 types. This you will do on notebook. Clear beta?
Okay, ma'am.
Ji.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Cross exercise 8. 8 you need not to, because you will not get this kind of question. To add sentence, complete the sentence. Exercise 8, cross it. We will not do exercise 8. Okay. And exercise 7 we will also do. First you complete exercise number 2. Okay. Clear? And in the next section, we will proceed with the other blanks exercise.